When I think of physical wellness, I have an internal sigh. Eating healthy and staying fit is a challenge. Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils with clarity and confidence. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about Fit Essential Oil Blend. I'll tell you what it is, how to use it, and how to use it safely. Fit Essential Oil Blend is an essential oil blend formulated to help prevent snacking. So the aroma of it will help decrease your appetite. So when you're working from home or wanting to reach for that snack drawer, instead you can diffuse this oil or put a little bit on a diffuser bracelet to help prevent those feelings. This blend also helps boost your energy to give you the motivation to get those workouts in. Fit Essential Oil Blend is made up of 3 essential oils, the first being grapefruit. In 2005, there was a study done on rats using grapefruit essential oil, and it was found that it helped increase weight loss and reduce appetite. The chemical that scientists found in charge of that was limonene. Spearmint essential oil is also in this blend. It has a minty sweet aroma. This oil is energizing to help give you the motivation you need to exercise. It also contains limonene to further increase those benefits. The third oil in this blend is lavender, the queen of all oils because it has so many uses. Lavender is calming, so it can help reduce the stress that comes with wanting to eat and help calm those feelings to help keep you on track for your wellness goals. One way you can use this blend is in a roll-on. This makes it easy to take on the go. You can put it in your drawer in your desk or in your purse to take along with you so that when you feel the need to snack, you can apply a little bit of this essential oil to encourage you to make a different decision. You can also use this blend in a diffuser by itself to help prevent snacking, or you can add other oils to further increase its benefits or to mix up its aroma. We have a diffuser blend on our blog that we'll link to below called Salon Day, which has a calming and uplifting aroma just like a day at the salon. Let's make sure you know how to use Fit Essential Oil Blend safely. This blend is kid safe, so you can use it around kids aged 2 and up. It's unlikely to cause any skin irritation. You'll want to avoid diffusing it around cats because of its citrus content. It is generally safe to diffuse around dogs. Whenever you're using essential oils with a pet, make sure that the door is open so that they can leave the room if they want. This blend is a perfect addition to your wellness routine to help you get to your physical wellness goals. Thanks for watching. For recipes and ways to use this essential oil, click out the blog link below. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit subscribe to get more confidence and clarity on how to use essential oils.